Hey there, welcome back to another episode on the At Home Dive YouTube channel. My name is Joey and today we're in the kitchen making an all-time classic, blueberry muffins. So sit back, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive right in. So we have a pretty simple list of ingredients on the counter today. We're going to start with 2 cups of AP flour. We have 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 a teaspoon of kosher salt, 2/3 a cup of granulated sugar, 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, 2 ounces of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of fresh blueberries, and we have a little bit of coarse brown sugar that we're going to set aside for now. So let's get started. We're going to start by mixing all of the dry ingredients. So we're going to start with the flour, the sugar, and the salt and baking powder, and we're going to put them into a bowl and just give them a quick mix together. Then we're going to set that aside. Next, we're going to take the egg and we're going to beat it with a fork. Then we're going to add in the milk and then the vanilla. We're going to finish with the oil. And now you can see we have 3 basic categories here. We have wet, dry, and blueberries. So now it's time to get mixing. So we're going to take the wet and slowly add it into the dry with the mixer running. Never hurts to stop and rake down the sides. Alright, so this is the basic muffin batter. Now that the batter's made, we're just going to go ahead and take the blueberries and drop them right in, and we're going to gently fold them in with the spatula. This is our basic muffin pan with liners in it that have been sprayed with a pan release. What we're going to do here is we're going to just fill them up 3/4 of the way. Right, friends, now that our muffins are ready and in the cups, I'm going to go through and just sprinkle a good pinch of coarse sugar on top of each one. This is an optional step, but I like the crunch and the sweetness that it's going to give them right on top whenever the muffins come out of the oven. Our oven is preheated to 400 degrees, and we're just going to take these muffins and put them right in the oven, and we're going to come back and check on them in 20 minutes. It has been 20 minutes now, and we are taking the blueberry muffins out of the oven. And look at that, all the blueberries have expanded and exploded in there, and all the juices are in there. Got a nice firm crust on top. We're gonna let them sit and cool down for 5 minutes, and then we'll come back to check on them. All right, friends, we're back. We've given these a few minutes to cool off in the pan. As you can see here, we have a nice soft texture on the outside, a little bit of a crust on top. And if we open it up, we have the delicious fluffy batter full of the juicy blueberries. So that wraps us up on how to make blueberry muffins. Comment below and let me know how yours turn out. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you like the video.